All right, you ready for a new tool?
I am. Oh my God, it's cute.
It's adorable. Okay, but don't let it fool you. It's small, but it's mighty. It's completely Calista technology still, fusion technology. That's going to give you the volume, the body to shine.
Okay.
It's not a metal barrel, so it's never going to yellow your gorgeous hair.
Don't want that.
No, don't want that. But because it's a heated round brush, we're going to be able to teach you how to do volume, how to smooth and straighten, how to add a curl, lots of things. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay, let's do it. All right, so when we want lift and volume, it's really easy. You're going to take a section that's like the size of the barrel, basically. So it's about 2 inches wide. It's about 1 inch thick.
Okay.
And the big key is you're going to brush it through a couple times, make sure there's no knotting. And then we are going to make sure those ends are fed into that brush, right?
Okay.
And then this way, when you come down, do you notice that I'm pushing forward a lot?
Yeah.
See how much forward? So by pushing forward, when I come down, it's sitting right on the section. That's what's going to create the big lift.
All right.
A lot of times people will drag it backwards and they get no lift. When it's down tight, you can feel I have good tension on it.
Okay.
Right? When
Yeah.
it's down tight, you're going to hold it for about 10 seconds. You notice that these teeth are cool, right? So you can't burn yourself or anything. And then you're just going to come out the exact way that you came in, and you're just going to have that.
Okay.
What do you think about that?
That looks awesome. That looks great. Perfect. Yeah. Perfect.
Okay. You ready to give it a try? Good section.
Okay. So I'm going to just brush it through a little bit first.
Exactly. And that helps those
grab
ends
on.
grab
Okay.
in, yeah.
Okay.
And you're pushing forward beautifully.
Now I'm pushing forward, and I'm going to
get
wrap
all
it
those
around.
ends in.
And hold it, right?
So you can wrap in even tighter because you're, there you go.
Okay.
Now you're right on top of your section.
Okay.
So,
and I'm touching it and it's not burning me, which is awesome.
Right. And you're going to hold for a few seconds. Your hair is very thick and very strong.
Okay.
So I'd give it 15 seconds. The heat temperature is a very moderate temperature.
Yeah,
you're never going to yellow your hair.
It's not burning.
No.
It's not burning my scalp in any way.
Okay, and then when you just come out the same way you came in, just roll it back out. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, I like it.
Good job.
That was easy too. It was easy.
So now you understand lift, right?
Right.
So how about when you want to do a curl? So when you want to do a curl, you're kind of still taking the same section sizes. I brush through it, but instead of rolling down to the root, it's like you're curling a ribbon. So we're going to start about there. You see how the end is out?
Midway, okay.
Yeah, midway. And I'm just coming down the strand of hair nice and slowly. Notice how I spin and hold.
Okay.
Spin and hold. And then on this, especially a little bit of a longer section, it's going to create just a very nice soft curl right there for you.
Oh, nice.
And
Come
spin.
down.
If you keep it vertical, keep coming down, you won't get it caught in your hair. You're going to have a perfect curl. Look at what you did. So now when you want to smooth, you're just going to take the same size section, and especially if your hair is frizzy or anything like that. But what we're going to do is really comb. Notice how I'm combing at the root. So I really want that fusion technology to shine it and smooth it. But see, I'm just giving it tension. And I'm just working my way down without really curling it. So I'm just using it as a straightening, smoothing tool right now, just to let those layers go back.
Okay.
Pretty easy.
Perfect for the humid days when my hair's a frizzy mess.
Okay, perfect. All right, let's give that a try. See how you think.
Okay, so first you just kind of brush it on the top, right? Okay. And then I'm going to go underneath and kind of hold it, right? Hold the bottom.
Exactly.
Hold it, give it some tension.
Exactly.
Am I twisting this to run through a little bit?
Just smooth. Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
There we go.
Oh, nice and straight. So Maggie, you can do anything you want. Like if you want to flick this up, that's what I love about the GoGo. Because it's a round brush, I can flick up, which gives us a nice little natural flick.
Oh, that looks cute.
Not
cute?
That.
Yeah.
We can go under, right? We can just take that and go under with it. Any way, look.
Yeah.
Anywhere you want your hair to go. And the great thing is because it's fusion technology, even though I flick that up, I can go right back in and smooth it under. And that's because it's not a metal barrel. If it was a metal barrel, once you sometimes curl your hair, you're never getting rid of it.
Right.
Like this, I just flicked up, but then I can flick under too.
Oh, I like that.
So I also think it's like a cowlick buster. You know that split that happens in your hair, especially when you wake up in the morning.
Yes,
So
I'm known for my cowlick.
So the key is to make sure you take from both sides of the cowlick, right? Like, so that we're grabbing the split in the middle. And then you do exactly what we did with the over direct. You want to really over direct and give it a lot of tension. So I'm actually going to roll right when I get those ends in, right down on that cowlick and sit there. And again, this is an area that has a lot of resistance on you, like resistance, right? So it wants to stay split. So I'm going to sit there for at least a good 10 seconds before I pull out. And then this way, when I pull out, there we go, like the split is gone. And then I can keep working through. You can just keep working through the rest of the style as normal. And then when you brush through it, that split won't be there. Okay, Maggie, you're like a pro already.
Thank you. I love this little guy.
Yeah, right? Did you find it easy?
Oh, absolutely. Easy to use. I love that it's so portable. It's a great little tool. It does everything I needed to do.
I see.